Hey there, YouTube coin community. This is Epluribusunum here, and just was gonna do a video of some errors and varieties that you can hunt for in your pocket change. There's a lot of videos out there showing all these different types of coins and errors that are worth big money and thousands of dollars, and you hardly ever see anybody finding them. So I thought I'd do something that you can actually find in your pocket change. On errors and varieties. So we're going to get into that right now. So in this video, what we're going to do is take a look at the wide AM on the 1998, 1999, and 2000 memorial cents. So on the coin, when you flip it over, what you're looking for is a space between the A and the M. So right here we have a close AM example. You can see right there, there's no space between the A and the M in America. I have an actual example that I found hunting. So we'll confirm this is a 98. And there you can see the space between A and M. So what I'm going to do is put on top of it the other example, which is a 2000. Right? So we're going to flip that coin over. And you can see this is what you normally see, the one on top. And the error that you're looking for is the space between the A and an M in America, right there. So again, this is a very common error to find when you're hunting your memorial cents. The other thing to verify, sometimes it's hard to pick this up. Okay, I have a digital USB pluggable microscope that's easy for me to see. So if you're trying to look through this with the naked eye, it's going to be a little bit difficult. You're going to need a loop, probably like a 12x loop. I have one that's 60x that really does a good job of searching. But one of the other things that you can see on the coin, it's not just the space between the A and the M. You're also going to look at the F and G, which is the mint mark, the minter's initials, sorry. And what you can do is see there's a space between the wall here of the steps and the engraver's initials, F and G. And then you see the wide AM example, it's a lot closer. And then when you look even closer on the G, on this G, it's a different font. So on this G, you have no serif at the top of the G, and this one you have a little hook, and you can definitely see the difference in the font of the G. So the space between the steps and the F and G, as well as the space between the A and the M, is what you're looking for when you're looking for this error. So the reason this error occurred, back in 1994, I believe, they changed the reverse of the penny. So what we have here, as an example, is one is showing the business strike, which is this one, the normal business strike between the A and the M. And this example, they incorrectly used a proof reverse. So that's why the error actually occurred. It's not like they just decided to change them mid-year. So they ran out of dies or something happened at the mint where they got the reverses mixed up. So this reverse with the wide AM on the 98, 99, and 2000 examples that you're looking for is for the proof. In addition, they messed up the proof sets. So on the proof sets, when you find a 1998, 99, or 2000 proof, not that you're going to find a lot of those in circulation, but if you have a proof set, check your proof set for 98, 99, and 2000 for a close AM variety. That's the one that should be on the business strike, and that's actually on the proof set. And then the proof reverse got used on the business strike. So This is not a proof, and we have a wide AM. That is in error, and is a little bit of value. So on eBay, I looked up some of the prices. eBay is currently selling a 1998p wide AM for $5 to $10 in circulated condition. Now, if you have something that's higher grade, meaning it's a really clean coin, it's very brilliant uncirculated, almost mint state, right out from the mint. If you have an error that's showing a wide AM in that higher grade, those are retailing between $100 to $200 on eBay based on the last completed eBay auction listings. So for the 2000p wide AM, eBay has those listed, and completed sales are showing that the 2000p wide AM are retailing for the similar prices as the 1998 wide AM. They're just as common as the 98, so they're retailing again $5 to $10 on eBay, more or less for the completed sale in circulated condition, and $100 to $200 for the higher graded coins. Now for the 1999p wide AM, that is the rare error. Of the 3 years, 99 is the one to find. I have yet to find 99 in thousands of coins I've looked at under the scope over the years, and have yet to find 99. So that is an absolute rarity compared to the 98 and 2000. The 99 is retailing as a completed sale somewhere between $50 to $100 on eBay, and the higher grades are fetching premiums of $500 to $600 for MS 65 and higher on those grades. So that is definitely the one to look for for a larger rate of return. But again, it is fun to find errors, and the 98p and 2000 wide AMP are the ones to look for that fun error hunt. So again, there you have it. It's just a very common error for you to look for while you're hunting your pennies and looking through for your wheat cents and your copper cents. These errors are very common. I would average about one error for every $100 in pennies that I search. And again, I'm on the East Coast, so that's going to be a little higher for somebody that's on the East Coast versus the West Coast. May not find as many because these are only on the Philadelphia mint 1998, 1999, and 2000. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're alerted on all future videos. In addition to the error and variety videos that I do, I also have a website if you didn't know. If you go to Epluribusunumcoins.com and click on the error and varieties tab, that'll show you a whole list of different errors and varieties you can search for. I have it all categorized by the coin type: pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, halves, and dollar coins. The penny errors and varieties site is still a work in progress because of all the different errors and varieties that are out there. But you will start to see photos on the website for the pennies, and specifically the 1998, 99, 2000p wide AM, as we start to load more photos into the website. So I really appreciate everybody watching this video, and feel free to put any comments, some of the coins that you have found, or some of the coin errors you'd like to see a little bit more detail on. A lot of people ask lots of questions in our Discord OG22 group, and I just thought it'd be easier to put some videos together to be able to have a resource online for anybody searching through pennies. Thanks so much, and I hope everybody has a great day and that your next penny hunt is absolutely epic.